Here's a quick walkthrough on how you can launch any ComfyUI workflow on InstaSD. When you log into InstaSD on your account, go ahead and click on Upload a Workflow, drag and drop your workflow, and then let's give it a name. If there are any models that we don't have a link for, or you have renamed them, for example, to something that we don't have on our database, we'll ask you for a download URL on where we can get it. So in this case, this is the Flux VAE. And based on the node, we'll try to detect where this should go. Please double check these and make sure they're going into the right folder for that specific model. I'm going to go get ahead and get the download URLs. If you don't know how to get them, there's a little information how you can get them. So for this one, I am going to get the ae.savetensors, grab the link, put it here, and for this one, I already have it open. I'm going to grab copy the link, place it here, click next, and then that will get added to your instances. Here you can start an instance of this workflow. Since it's Flux, we recommend using the medium size GPU. Go ahead and click on that. And now we are getting the GPU set up, installing the workflow and downloading all the models. So just give it a couple of minutes and the ComfyUI should be up and running. All right, now that we have installed and ready to go, we have a fully working ComfyUI instance. Let's give it a try, see how this workflow works. See if we can create an image of Einstein. And there you have it, a fully working ComfyUI instance. You can go ahead and add any custom nodes and adjust this instance as you wish. Just make sure you save. And once you're done, you can turn off the instance. And then the next time you bring it up, it will have all your changes ready to go.